Spark, your AI Spark for accessible creativity. So Spark has some AI accessibility testing feature and manual accessibility testing feature. Let me just show you the functionalities in a list. Okay, the functionalities are, first one is accessibility checker. That means you can select a background and a foreground to check the contrast ratio between them and contrast score by industry standard. And second one is AI accessibility analysis. That means if you have a whole page or whole document or whole PDF, whatever the page is, then you can analyze that by AI and get an overall score for that page. And if your accessibility is bad, and you get some feedback that how you can improve that. And third one is AI based alternative text generator. That means whenever you write a blog, you have to add an image or thumbnail, then you have to add an alternative text generator that what the image says for better SEO, and by this you can generate alternative text for the document or the page. And the fourth one is AI based description generator. That means if you have a page or PDF writing or many element based document or a big page of content that you want to describe this by AI, then you can just select the page and tell AI to generate a description for you, and that will generate a description for you. And now let me give you some live demo. Okay, so this is the manual contrast ratio checker. So you have to select a foreground. That means I am selecting this font color is this, and for right side is this, how much is this. So for the right side is this is quite good. So this is giving an AAA contrast score and it is getting 7.9. So you can check for anywhere or any color how much background and foreground is working for contrast ratio. So let me just get back to the second point, that is AI accessibility analysis. At first I gave a brief about this. The AI accessibility analysis means you can get the whole summary of the accessibility for this YouTube thumbnail or for this banner I designed for my app. So if I click on accessibility analysis, it will analyze the banner and it will give me some score and feedback how to improve it. So I got overall score 65 out of 100. So color, contrast, text readability, so what I can improve. So if I improve this, this will get me a better score or better accessibility. So let me just get back to the next feature because we have a short lack of time. So that is AI alternative text generator. That means whenever I am writing this in a blog or in somewhere, then I have to add an alternative text so that search engine could find my content better. So if I click on this, it will generate an alternative text. That means a simple line or a few lines to describe this line. So I have to click on the generate alternative text. So it will take a few seconds to generate the text. So this is generated the text for this thumbnail. So that was the feature. So let me just show you the next feature, that is AI description text generator. That means sometimes we can have a big design or multiple design, or maybe you can doing a PDF, so that you can just select that image or select that page to generate description. That means it will analyze or summarize the whole page to you in text format. Then you can easily share with someone, and you can do for page 1 or page 2 or any page you have. So that was the generate description feature for AI or any